there we go. I don't know if I recorded it a second ago or not. I don't know if it came on because it was off, but anyway, we got a beautiful day. I don't know what's going on here. I think I'm going to turn around and go back the other way because that stop sign's way up here. Oh, there's... Yeah, I'm going to turn around and go the other way and see if I can get in this driveway and turn around. Screw this. Well, I don't know what's going on up there, but the road is stopped and I see flashing lights, so I'm gonna go back the other way. But what a gorgeous day. I think I'm still recording. It is, oh, let's see what the temperature is. It's 74. Woohoo! I like springtime. I just got a mesh jacket on. I don't know why. Don't really need it if it's a 74. What a beautiful day. I don't know if I got anything recorded before because it was off when I looked in the mirror. What a great day. Yeah, I'll talk to you later. Bye.